Thanks, Jane, and thanks for such a fantastic lunch. What a great turnout. It's great to be here in Sydney. Titan Minerals, we are an emerging gold developer and copper producer, targeting 5 million ounces in resources at our Dynasty project in Ecuador. And we've just recently secured a joint venture partner, Hancock Prospecting, for one of our copper projects in Ecuador as well. So in the past 18 months, we've done a significant amount of work, I guess at a time when the market wasn't really watching us, and we probably haven't been given the credit that's been due. So last 18 months, we've taken our resource from 2 million ounces of non-JORC compliant resource. Now we sit at 3.1 million ounces of gold, 22 million ounces of silver in resources. We've expanded our exploration across the entire Dynasty project, and we've recognised the mineralisation footprint to be like 9 kilometres by 2 kilometres. Current drill defined resources are more in an area of about 5 kilometre by 1 kilometres. So, you know, a lot of room for growth for that resource, both laterally and also at depth. And some of our latest trench results have given results of up to, 3 metres at 21 grams gold, 5 metres at 5 grams gold in entirely new areas that are never been drilled, never been explored, and certainly don't form part of the current resource. So significant scope there to grow, and with that we've just launched into a 10,000 metre drilling campaign that we've just started today, and so we're targeting resource growth, some of our new exploration targets also. So a very exciting pipeline of news to come with both further trench results and drilling results from our Dynasty project. And then Linderos Copper Project is where we secured Hancock as a joint venture partner. They are to invest up to $120 million US to earn 80% of our project. So, clearly the look-through value of that on a 100% basis is like $220 million Australian. So significant endorsement for both our projects and I guess the technical capability of our team in Ecuador, and what we've been able to demonstrate there is the value proposition at that project. And coincidentally, Hancock are also about to launch into a 10,000 metre drilling campaign as part of their earning commitment. So we'll have news flow coming from Dynasty in terms of gold, news flow coming from Linderos in terms of copper, results to come through. And I think, important to note, there's a pretty big value disconnect. I think our current market cap was sitting at around, 110 million Australian. If you think about the 3 million ounces of gold, 22 million ounces of silver in resource, the look-through value of 220 million Aussie on a 100% basis for Linderos, there's a big disconnect, I think, with our current market cap and the value that we've been able to achieve over the last 18 months at our projects. And I think, I'm pleased to say, I think there's a turn in the tides have turned, and I think we're getting a lot more eyes on, what we're doing, and a lot more interest in what we're doing. So seeing much better support, and, hopefully you guys can all appreciate that as well. And I guess, what's next for us? It's about drilling, discovery through the drill bit, particularly at Dynasty and at Linderos. We're targeting a resource update at Dynasty mid-2025, so in a little over 6 months' time we're targeting an update there. And we're really excited about all the work streams that are currently underway, and it'd be great to have all you as a part of Titan's success. Thanks for coming.